Hello students, in our today's video we will discuss on the question paper format for new revised syllabus. In last year there is a program for the revised question paper format for 11th and 12th science. The new question paper format, it shows three main changes. The first change is 25% marks for short answer questions. Means objective type of question, they shows 25% of marks. 40% options are given in question papers and the internal options are deleted. Then there are 4 sections in our paper: section A, section B, section C and section D, all having their own marking scheme. The question paper for 70 marks, as you know that 30 marks are for practical paper and 70 marks for theory paper. Our paper is with 98 marks with options and 3 hours are given for solving the paper. Then our paper having 4 sections: section A, section B, section C and section D. Section A. Section A is for 18 marks. 18 marks are divided into 2 questions. Question 1. Question 1 having 10 multiple choice type of questions carrying 1 mark each. Multiple choice questions means a question is there and 4 options are given for each question. 4 alternative options are there. Out of that only one is a correct answer. Then question 2, it contains 8 very short answer questions carrying 1 mark each. Means section 1 for 10 marks and section 2 for 8 marks. Means total 18 marks are for section A. Then section B. Section B, it is for 2 marks questions. Question number 3 to question number 14, they are under the heading section B, each carrying 2 marks. Then section C. Section C for 3 marks question. Question number 15 to question number 26 are short answer type of questions carrying 3 marks each. Then section D, total question number 27 to question number 31 and they are long answer type of question and they are for 5 marks. Means section A consists of 1 mark type of question, section B 2 marks type of question, section 3 3 marks type of question and section D for long answer question, it shows 5 marks type of questions. Then weightage for the learning objectives. Our paper having 3 types of question: knowledge type of question, understanding type of question and application and skill type of questions. Okay, means totally knowledge based questions having 29 marks, understanding based question having 41 marks and application and skill type of question having 28 marks out of 98 marks. 98 with option and compulsory there are 70 marks type of questions. Then difficulty level of the questions. As you know, there are certain easy questions, there are certain average and some are difficult type of questions. Easy questions are for 29 marks for with options. Then average type of questions are for 48 marks and difficult level questions are for 20 marks. Means totally 98 marks are divided into easy, average and difficult type of questions. Then weightage of types of questions. As you know that section A having multiple choice question, it having 1 mark each and number of questions, question number 1 which is again divided into sub question 1 to 10 having 10 marks. Then very short answer question, it is also included in section A 1 mark each, and it having question number 2 which is subdivided into question number 1 to 8, it having 8 marks. Then section B with short answer question, one type, having 2 marks. There are total 24 marks. Then short answer question for 3 marks, question number 50 to 26, and there are 36 marks. And last one is long answer question, 4 marks each, 27 to 31, having 20 marks, means total there are 31 questions and with 98 marks. Then let us see actual question paper format for unit test. Okay, very soon our unit test will be start. Unit test for 25 marks and 1.5 hours are given for solving the paper. Unit test paper, it is also divided into section wise. The first section, section A, the question 1, select and write the correct answer. Here you have to write only answer. There is no necessity to write the question again. Okay, here no necessity is there to write the question. Okay, then there are 4 multiple choice question for unit test, and for 4 marks means 1 mark each. Question 2, very short answer question. Answer the following in one sentence. Certain questions are there which having the answer in one sentence, or certain answer having in only one word. Okay, means very short answer question. And there are 3 questions. Question number 1 to question number 3. These are actually sub questions. Then section B, attempt any 4. Question number 3 to 8. Here this pattern for unit test, but in annual there are 3 to 14 questions are there. Okay, but for unit test only question 3 to 8 and short answer type of questions for 2 mark, and you have to solve only 4 or any 4 questions. Then section C, which is for 3 marks. Here what is the question? Attempt any 2. Question number 9 to 11, means there are 3 questions are given and you have to solve only 2. Then last section, section D, attempt any 1. Here 2 questions are given, question number 12 to question number 13, and you have to solve only 1, means option is there. Then question paper format for terminal examination, means term end exam. Term end exam for 50 marks, 2.5 hours are given for solving the paper. This paper also shows 4 sections. Okay, unit test for 25 marks and terminal exam for 50 marks. Here in section A there are 2 questions. First for multiple choice question, here 7 multiple choice questions are there, and in question 2 there are 7 very short answer questions are there for 7 marks, means 7 and 7 total 14 questions. 14 marks are for section A. Then section B, in section B there are question 3 to 13 and you have to attempt any 8. You have to attempt any 8 question from 3 to 13, means section B for 16 marks. Then section C, attempt any 4, starting from question 14 to 19. How many questions have to attempt? You have to attempt any 4 questions for 12 marks, 3 marks each. And last section, section D, attempt any 2, question number 20 to 23. Out of that only 2 questions you have to attempt here, and for 8 marks, 4 mark each. Then last one, question paper format for annual examination. Here annual exam for 70 marks and 3 hours are given for solving the paper. Okay, These are the certain general instructions which are given at the starting of question paper. Section A, Section B, Section C and D. Okay, in previously we have discussed on there. Then we will start with the Section A. Section A shows 10 multiple choice question and question 1 shows 10 multiple choice question and section 2 shows 8 very short answer type of questions. Section B, it having question number 3 to question number 40 with short answer question and each carrying 2 marks. Section C having again short answer question and each question for 3 marks, and it start with question number 15 to 26. And the last section, section D, it starts from 27 to 31 and it is the long answer question and you have attempt any 3. Okay, means objectives options are there. See, in section B, attempt any 8. In section C, attempt any 8. And in last section, section D, attempt any 3. Means here options are provided to you to solve the questions. Okay. Then these are our chapters for 11 science, which are divided into units, then in chapters. Like first chapter is living world, which having 2 marks compulsory and 3 marks with option. Then second chapter is systematic of living organism, compulsory 3 marks and 4 marks with options. Like that all the chapters are there, means totally at about 16 chapters are there. Last chapter is skeleton and movement, means it is for 5 marks and with option 7 marks. I would like to repeat here, there are total 1 to 6 chapters are here, then second 7 to 12 chapters are here, and last one 13 to 16, means total there are 70 marks paper with option 98. Okay, our paper is with 70 marks compulsory and 98 marks with options. Okay, have you understood the new question paper pattern? Okay, thank you.